Ajisebi Ọ̀yọ́ là á rí, Ọ̀yọ́ ò ní ṣe bí bàbá. Ajisebi Ọ̀yọ́ là á rí, Ọ̀yọ́ ò ní ṣe bí bàbá ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan.
They are part of an internal control system. They are knowledge-based economy. Majority. What they established? What they established have been copied by LIRS at the federal government level. Okay? They've engineered the finances of Lagos State from ordinary 600 million naira a month to a 20 billion naira a month. We have passed South Africa in ratio of internal.
So all the stories of you having 2 billion naira every month from the Lagos State government.
Can they prove it? That blackmail of PDP, the opposition party, they have the amount to say whatever they want. I have my choice to either ignore them, go to court. But what am I going to go for? If the company tomorrow invites me to be on their board, we go and be. Let them make their noise. It's just envy, stupid, lack of knowledge. The same thing aside. When I broke the back of bond in this country, how many of their states now? Is it federal government not going for bond? You must activate the financial market. They said it was negative. They were calling me all sorts of names. What happened? When I, invest Lagos State money in Econet, hey, broke loose. They criticized me. No, I used 4 billion to bring 19 billion back to Lagos State. Who is smarter? No, I don't want. When you are superior to them in knowledge, in intellectual capacity, in professionalism, you expect that you are wrestling with the pig. You get a little bit of stain.
Ajisebi Ọ̀yọ́ là á rí, Ọ̀yọ́ ò ní ṣe bí bàbá ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan. Ajisebi Ọ̀yọ́ là á rí, Ọ̀yọ́ ò ní ṣe bí bàbá ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan. Ajisebi Ọ̀yọ́ là á rí, Ọ̀yọ́ ò ní ṣe bí bàbá. Ajisebi Ọ̀yọ́ là á rí, Ọ̀yọ́ ò ní ṣe bí bàbá ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan. Ajisebi Ọ̀yọ́ là á rí, Ọ̀yọ́ ò ní ṣe bí bàbá ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan.